This is ViralVault AI, and everything you are about to see is the real product, recorded in one take. We start by logging in. Here is the dashboard. Your sites, your leads, your sales, and your plan, all in one place. Let's build a brand new website from scratch. First, choose a niche. Each one arrives with its own content library already loaded, so you are never staring at an empty site. We'll take gym and strength. Next, the design. Every theme renders the same content, which means switching later changes the look without touching a single word. Then you choose the sections your page launches with: a hero, your video library, calculators, an AI plan generator, pricing, and more. Only sections that suit your niche are ever offered. Give it a handle. This becomes your live web address, and you can point your own domain at it whenever you're ready. One review, one click. Your subdomain is reserved, the video library is loaded, the theme is applied, and your editable draft is built in seconds. And here is the editor. Every section is listed on the left with a live preview beside it. Click any block to rewrite the copy, swap the image, reorder it, or hide it completely. You type, and the preview updates as you go. No code, no theme files, nothing to rebuild. Happy with it? Publish. That is the entire deployment step. No hosting to configure, no build to run, no server to manage. And this is the result: a real, published site with a full video library, working calculators, and an AI plan generator, live at your own address. Every visitor gets the same premium experience on any device. Then there is the management side: analytics showing who visits and what they watch. A leads inbox that collects every email you capture. A blog to publish articles that rank. Programs to package your training plans. Digital products sold through your own PayPal, with every order tracked for you. Exit pop-ups, affiliate promotions, your own custom domain, and a one-tap installable app. Every one of these is built in. Nothing to buy, nothing to plug in, nothing extra to pay for. Pick a niche, pick a theme, load your content, publish. That is a complete health and fitness business. Live in under a minute with ViralVault AI.